Hello everyone, students. We are learning environmental study part 2. Part 1 means geography textbook. Wrong custom and tradition cause the neglect of some section of the society. They have been assessed to the education. Therefore, they do not get opportunity of the development. They have no means of the livelihood. Therefore, they have to, to face poverty. Poverty means what? बहुत गरीब होना. Below poverty means what? गरीब होना बहुत, जिनको दो वक्त का भी खाना नहीं मिलता, ऐसे लोग. So poverty and a lack of education, no, some lots of student keeping away or staying away of the education. So these two main obstacles, these two main problem of our society, poverty and lack of education, are two big obstacles in our society, and we cannot make progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. We will make progress if we solve these two problems, poverty and lack of education. Now see, protecting our environment. How we can protect our environment? Just laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in the society. We also should protect our environment. Laws are also required for the protection of the environment. So we are depend on nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature only. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of future generation, and therefore we must conserve the natural resource. We must them carefully, because we totally depend on nature for food, for clothing, everything. For everything we depend, mostly we depend on the nature. Caste discrimination, gender equality, and lack of education for women were some of the biggest obstacle in our society, as I told you. So to to overcome of these obstacles, no, so many social workers have worked very hard, and like Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajashri Shahu Maharaj, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, they they try to get right these obstacles. They work very hard to get right for women education and inequality, and many more. The social worker like Savitribai Phule had fight with great battle of women education. Fatima Sheikh provided her with a valuable assistance in this. They work very hard and for the women's right and education. Social worker like Maharshi Dhondo, Keshav Karve also work to work hard to provide education to women. All these social worker was bringing out positive changes in society. They work very hard for us. So what we have learned today: rules made for people are changed for time from time to time. Rules in the olden days were in the form of religious tradition and social custom. Law are made to combat inhuman and in under undesirable traditions. So, what we have learned today, student? Today we learn rules made for people are changed from time to time. Rules in olden days were informed to religious tradition and social custom. Laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable tradition and custom. So, enough for today. In this way, lesson is finished. We will see in next week with next topic. So, good day, student. Bye bye.